Previously on Dominic's Crazy Videos.
I see you.
Oh no, Grandpa sees me. Quick, go get a hand grenade. What the? Okay guys, so here's what happened. So here's how the baby. So guys, when I wasn't recording, I ran into Granny and Grandpa by accident, you guys. So yeah, I forgot to record. So I'm on day 2, you guys. Okay guys, so I just found all the new items in this game, and when I found out that I needed when I found the helicopter manual, I thought, doesn't every helicopter need gas fuel? So that's why I brought the fuel up here. Right, let's place that there. Alright, let's grab this piece of the picture and let's take it to there. And what does this thing do? What in the world is this place? Oh my gosh, these are targets. Do I need a gun for this? Oh my goodness. Guess I'm gonna have to go find my stun gun and shoot both of them. But it's gonna be real hard. Come here, Granny. Come here. Shot you. So he was going to dance to his favorite song. Alright, guys. Okay. Alright, come on. Okay, I just shot that one. I shouldn't have been recording. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I got it. Oh, what's over there? Oh my, ow! Okay, what just happened? One more thing, guys. I'm gonna go see what's on the other side of the spider baby. But first I gotta kill the baby because I just got killed by Granny and Grandpa. And alright. What's this? Helicopter key? Let's take that, you guys. I'm taking the helicopter key. What's this right here? I need a glass fuse. That thing right there is cool. Oh, we free? Oh, we're free now. What's this place? Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so cool. I'm gonna go get the stuff for this. Alright, let's fill this up for you guys. Alright, this is so cool. Alright, almost filled up. Now let's go. Oh, you think I might need the duct tape for that? Okay, I'm gonna go get the tape. Alright, let's go get the tape. Alright, put it there. Now let's go grab the key. Oh my gosh. What? I'm escaping. Go. Oh my. The end. Alright guys, thank you for watching and bye.